So we have this nightlight here. It always kind of hurt my eyes, and I didn't really like it very much. So I thought, why can't I print a new top for it? Just kind of slides right on like so. So I designed up a new top. Here it is printing. Okay, here's my new Nightlight top printed. I used a raft and I did use some supports. Might not have needed them. See if we're going to come up on. Sometimes rafts are a little hard to get off. So just be careful around the toes. Raft off. We can support that holds the head up. We got a couple supports in there that were for the eyes. Just grab those out with this. And that can come as well as I had hoped. Same in the beak. In retrospect, the beak should have been going the other way, and I wouldn't have needed any supports. So I just need to get in there and clean out the supports a little bit. Shouldn't be a problem. Got the eyes. And there it is, all cleaned out. That's my new Nightlight topper. Thanks for watching.